Mark Essery asked us for a quick refresher on proper placement of the kilt pin. He says he struggles with this one every time he puts one on. So, and I could see that, especially if you have more than one pin and they're different sizes, I can see where that might be confusing. So, quick rundown, Rocky.
Sure. There is no 100%. This is exactly where you put it thing. I would say this about the bottom of. Let's go this way. The bottom of the pin, the point of the sword, if you will, about 4 or 5 inches up from the bottom of the kilt, and about 2 inches in from the fringe is about the bottom of the pin. Oh my! How dare you? Oh,
mine's wrong.
Get off!
I have a reason though.
Get off my show, pal. No, there's a range. Some guys wear it a little bit lower. Some guys wear it a little bit higher. Victorian times, it was up halfway up the kilt. So there's no exactly right location to wear it. It's just kind of where you feel like it, down towards the bottom of the apron, towards the fringe side. That's about it. Don't worry too much about it.
Right, which we say a lot. We get accused of saying that too much, but it's the truth. I think sometimes if you have a square of the tartan that's in about the right place and you like how the pin will look framed in a certain piece of the set in the apron, that can be a nice way to go. I actually put this kilt. I put this pin on lower than usual because when we were getting ready for the show today, I had it up higher, closer to the Victorian style, and I realized you couldn't even see it at all on camera. So I thought, well, I want to be able to show off the pin while I'm sitting here, so I moved it down some. So it's a bit of an optical illusion because I happen to be sitting down on a camera. This is actually lower than I would wear this one. I think the size of the pin makes a difference. This is a very large pin, so I think aesthetically it looks more balanced if it's higher up on the apron. If it's a lighter pin, then yeah, I think the couple of inches in and 4, 5, even 6 inches from the bottom is a good rule of thumb. I say pin it and look in the mirror and see if it looks balanced. The only mistake I've seen is where people put it really down, really close to the bottom of the kilt, like right down at the bottom edge. That just looks odd, I also don't really recommend wearing a pin at an angle. I think maybe 1 or 2 pin designs out there kind of look cool if you do that, but even if it's like. Yeah, I know, and I try to be gracious with it. Like I said, so there's some funky pins out there, and guys are making pins out of stuff which was never meant to be a kilt pin, and it can look awesome. Somebody on the group recently posted one where they took this enamel pin of the Mandalorian and were using it as a kilt pin. I was like, that's great, that's fun. But I would not have the Mandalorian at the bottom of the kilt apron. That would be dishonorable. That is not the way. It should be higher up. So the lighter the pin is, thinner it is, then the more the rule of thumb applies. I think the thicker the pin is, the heavier it is in design, the higher up you want it. It's just going to look better, more balanced with the rest of the stuff going on if you have it a little higher if it's big. And this is a big honking pin. This is one of our Viking pins, and it's huge. So
you stole my joke. I was going to say you put the Mandalorian down there, so when you remember to open the kilt, this is the way.
This is the way.
Exactly. So what do you guys think? Where do you wear your kilt pin? Higher up on the kilt or down near the corner? Let us know in the comments. If you want to watch a video on how not to lose your kilt pin, check out this video we did over here. If you want to watch some other videos we've done about kilt pins, check these out.